DEFY Wood Cleaner is the ultimate solution for keeping your outdoor wood surfaces looking clean and beautiful. In this video, we will explore the features and benefits of DEFY Wood Cleaner and demonstrate how easy it is to use. DEFY Wood Cleaner is a powerful and effective cleaner specifically formulated for exterior wood surfaces. It is designed to remove graying, dirt, grime, and stains caused by mold and mildew, restoring the natural beauty of your wood. Whether it's your wooden deck, patio furniture, fence, or any other exterior wood surface, DEFY Wood Cleaner is the perfect solution to keep them looking their best. One of the key benefits of DEFY Wood Cleaner is its ability to deep clean your wood surfaces, removing years of built-up dirt and grime. By using DEFY Wood Cleaner, you can restore the natural color and beauty of your wood, making it look brand new again. DEFY Wood Cleaner is the first step to clean and prep your wood before staining. Not only will it clean your wood, but it opens the pores of the wood so the stain can absorb better. Now let's see how easy it is to use. Before you begin, make sure you have all the necessary tools and materials. You will need the DEFY push brush or a similar car wash type brush, a stiff bristle scrub brush, an extension pole, a pump-up garden sprayer, a paint strainer sock, a pressure washer, an empty 5-gallon bucket, and DEFY Wood Cleaner. Begin by filling a 5-gallon bucket with water. Pour the 2-pound container of DEFY Wood Cleaner into the water and stir. While not mandatory, using lukewarm water will cause the wood cleaner granules to dissolve easier. Next, pour the dissolved cleaner solution into a pump sprayer. At this step, it's helpful to use a paint strainer sock to prevent any undissolved granules from clogging the sprayer tip. Next, wet down the deck with a hose. This will saturate the wood and allow the wood cleaner to remain on the surface, making it easier to rinse off. Apply DEFY Wood Cleaner generously to the surface, using the pump-up sprayer. Allow the cleaner to sit for 10 to 20 minutes, and then rinse with a pressure washer. When using a pressure washer, use one of the wider tips and be sure not to get the nozzle too close to the wood. Doing so can damage the wood. A pressure washer is the best option. But if you don't have a pressure washer, you can scrub the surface using a stiff bristle brush. Rinse the area thoroughly with water until you can't see any more white foaming cleaner. DEFY Wood Cleaner covers approximately 500 to 1,000 square feet per 2-pound container. If your wood has a previously applied stain that is still intact, check out the DEFY Stain Stripper video. The stain stripper is more aggressive and better at removing old stains. After using the wood cleaner to clean your wood, the next step is to use the wood brightener. This simple but important step will brighten and neutralize the surface, making it ready for staining. Watch the wood brightener video to find out more. This illustration shows the different stages of wood throughout the DEFY process. The first board is weathered with no DEFY products applied to it. Next, we have a board that has been cleaned with DEFY Wood Cleaner. The board after that was cleaned with DEFY Wood Cleaner and brightened with DEFY Wood Brightener. You can see that while the wood cleaner did a great job at cleaning the second board, the brightened board looks quite a bit better. The final two boards show what the wood will look like with 1 coat of stain, and finally 2 coats of stain. The stain used in this illustration was DEFY Extreme Wood Stain using the butternut color. We recommend using the cleaner and brightener to get the best-looking results and longest lifespan out of your DEFY project. DEFY Wood Cleaner is the perfect solution for keeping your outdoor wood surfaces in top condition. With its powerful cleaning action and easy-to-use formula, you can revitalize your wood, making it look stunning again. So, don't let dirt, grime, or stains caused by mold or mildew ruin the beauty of your wood. Choose DEFY Wood Cleaner and bring back the natural splendor of your outdoor spaces. For more information and to explore other DEFY products, visit our website at defywoodstain.com.